Today I'll show you how to apply an eyeliner on round eyes. You can see that Nisha has round eyes because from top to bottom, left to right, they are curved. And I think it's quite confusing for girls who watch Instagram makeup and try to copy the cat eye flick I'm doing now, because by doing so, by decreasing the flick from the outer corner towards the inner corner, you make the eyes even rounder. Maybe this is just my opinion, but I really think they look rounder. Therefore, you need to extend the flick if you can. If you don't have hooded eyes, well, they're hooded eyes because Nizar has slightly hooded eyes, you need to pull the eyeliner on the lower part as well. I pulled it slightly too much towards the inner part, so stick on the outer fourth or third of the eye. But because the eyes are round, also the waterline is angled, therefore I think it's best if you apply the kohl pencil in that waterline as well, because you see now the eye is more balanced, it's more almond shaped. And I'm decreasing the lower line from the outer corner towards the inner one by finishing it with applying a kohl pencil all the way in the waterline. When she smiles also, you see that the eyes are hooded, but the line doesn't break because I pulled that flick I pulled just under where her crease breaks. I'm not saying that this is the best makeup technique for round eyes. I'll show you another trick in another makeup tutorial, but whatever floats your boats, I think this looks great as well. So go check our website and I'll see you soon. Ciao, ciao.